Welcome. This is Melinda Barlow, CZT, Certified Zen Tangle Teacher. And this is another segment in our bookmark tangles. Great ideas for bookmarks or other tangles. And today's tangle pattern is Shirley from Tomas Petros. And I love ribbony looking tangles. And so this is it, and I just absolutely love it. You'll find that this is a lot easier than it looks. So we're going to take our bookmark, and I am just going to, might need to scan out a little bit. Let's see how I do. If I have to scan out a little so you can see the whole bookmark to begin with. And I'm just taking my 01, Micron 01, and I'm just going to draw kind of a, just lines with spaces in between them. And I want the spaces to be about the same size as the lines. And then I'm going to come on the other side next to it and echo what I just did. So now we have two lines of on our bookmark of that come straight across from each other. Now I find if I draw it going this direction, it makes a little more sense than if I draw coming this way. So I'm going to lay it on its side, and I'm going to start with this the very top line, and I'm going to come and I'm going to draw down on it a little bit, and then over, and then down on the top of this one. So I get kind of a slight S curve. And then I'm going to do the same motion here, down, over, and down. So I get this little S curve shape. We're going to do it again. And this one I got kind of a lot up here at the top. I really don't want that much at the top. But I want them to kind of blend into each other. And we just repeat that all the way down our bookmark. And you can see that I left this top one and this bottom one because I'm drawing two opposites. And now we're going to come and we're going to join those, but I'm going to turn it going this way to make it a little bit more so that you can understand it a little bit better. And I'm going to start with this particular I'm going to start it here at the top, and we're going to draw from here down to this point. Dot, 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 underneath, and then down. And I like to give it a little bit of a curve, and I'm going to come from here, and I'm going to draw down to this point. But I'm not really going, it's just going to be an imaginary line that comes through. So now I'm going to start here at this one, and there is an imaginary line, and it's going to come down, imaginary line, and then come into that one. Start here at this point, come, and it will come down to that point, so that that keeps them a little equal. So here, from here, and join in there from this point, and I keep those equal. And you can see that it's just forming that twisted ribbon look for me. It's a little twisted ribbon. Here we're going to come from this point, and then we get to come to the top of that line. And here we come from here, and we're going to come down and we're going to curve in. So we get a little bit of a curve there at the bottom. And there we have it. Wasn't that simple to do? And great on a bookmark. Here I filled in the back and I just did some ribbon twists on the side. Here I did it. Let me scan out so you can see that a little bit better. And here I colored it with blue and did a little ribbon twist as a border. If you're not familiar with how that ribbon twist is, let me do that one too. So we're just going to start out, and I'm just going to put a line that comes down my bookmark. And then I draw a line over, and I come down and I cross. Over, and it gives it that little bit of a ribbon twist to it. Very easy to do that one. We'll do it again. We could come down and go through, but we're just going to come down, and you can draw down the line, but I like to just come down and do that little ribbon twist, like it's twisting there. And there we have our bookmarks for today. Thanks to Tomas Pedros, and it's Shirley. Let me show you how I shaded this. I'm just going to take my pencil and I'm just going to put a little graphite on the ones that go under. So you can see I'm just putting a little bit of graphite on anywhere that goes under. And then I'm going to take my blending stump, and I'm just going to blend. So this side, so one side of the ribbon is dark and the other side is light. It kind of creates that optical illusion and helps it twist a little. And a lot of times I also like to come in and put a little picot edge. You can do that same thing on the ribbon here. Oh, I picked up one with blue. So I'm just going to, so I just put on one side, and it happened to have a little blue on my shading stump. It's amazing how that will continue to give you pigment. So we can also come back in here and do a little picot edge. So let me come in, and I'll show you what I do when I do a little picot edge. So we're just going to start here, and I just do one side of the ribbon with that little picot edge, and you can see that that also helps it twist a little. And we could come in here, and I'm just going to give this other little side a little graphite, so you can see how that just helps that twist, and you give it, you don't fill it in all the way, so you give a little highlight in there. And this is a great fun tangle by Tomas Pedros. I loved it. It was a little challenging. Sometimes those are, and I think I like those the best. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. New videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And this is in our bookmark series. Thanks again, and have a great day.